Amazing exterior finishes, a vantage rooftop deck with amazing views of Midtown Reno, and the well-appointed interior are some of the salient features that make this modern shipping container apartment in Midtown Reno, Nevada a marvel to behold. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing modern container apartment. Welcome back. These modern apartments in Midtown Reno are upper-scale units built with shipping containers. The structure is built using 4 20-foot shipping containers stacked 2 on either side, saddling a big open space in the middle built out of conventional wood framing. The house sits on a big concrete foundation to elevate the structure off the ground away from moisture. The container cargo doors are removed and the end panels lined with conventional building materials. The entire structure is covered with a big lean-to roof with one pair of containers fitted with a pergola above an amazing open rooftop deck. Each apartment is accessed separately with a steel staircase on the front to access the upper apartment and a spiral steel staircase at the back to access the deck. The upper unit has a direct access to the rooftop deck. Each unit features a red painted front door that welcomes you to the home with these unique and amazing contemporary finishes. Interior boasts deluxe finishes such as real tile, wood floors, and high-quality faucets and showers. Each unit is fitted with a full-sized modern kitchen anchored by a large island that is highlighted by 2 beautiful pendant lights. The kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances, a European set-in unit laundry, enough storage space, and adequate natural lighting. The remaining space next to the kitchen accommodates a dining space. The airy and open-plan living area is roomy and big enough to accommodate all your furniture. Each unit has got 2 spacious bedrooms fitted with a sliding barn door and modern bathroom. The bathrooms feature a fully tiled walk-in shower, a toilet, and a modern wash hand basin. High ceilings, remote-controlled air conditioner, and heating units make the house comfortable in all seasons. The metal beams of the containers are visible in addition to the cross beams on the additional middle space, giving the interior of the house an industrial charm. The interior is painted white and light colors to create an illusion of a large indoor space. To bring as much light into the interior, the space is fitted with large openings on the rear elevation in a repetitive fashion, which creates a bit of rhythm and movement to the open-plan living space, allowing cool breezes, enhancing natural ventilation through the building. The exterior appearance of this project is really impressive. From outside, apart from the few expressive elements of shipping containers, it is hard to tell this amazing building that marries nicely and comfortably onto the streetscape is built using shipping containers. With the exception of its bright red entrance doors and address plates, the apartments are neutral brown and gray. The side elevations are left with the corrugated container walls, which are exposed and painted in a dark shade of gray. One of the side elevations facing the service lane is welded with a mesh wire to provide anchorage for climbing plants. At the rear, a spiral steel staircase leads you to a gorgeous rooftop deck which rivals any other view in the area. The front yard has a fancy art piece of a modern sculpture by Burning Man artist Peter Hazel. The house is fitted with an appropriate roof to protect it from the harsh weather elements and to also give character to the building from the streetscape. According to the developer, the project took twice as long to complete, with expected project cost of $400,000, but the cost went over budget by 25% because of high steel tariffs and increase in building fees from the city. We love the amazing execution of this shipping container apartment block. Which part of this house and apartment units appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.